I know he enjoyed the fuck out this video.
I enjoyed it. I wish it was more. They ain't saying no more.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. By the title, you guys already know what's about to go down. Today's guest, we got the one, the only.
Me. Hi.
His name is Mad Love. Ybnalmightyjay. I'm gonna be living his Instagram and his YouTube right here. If you guys want to give him a follow, check him out. Thank you for doing this video with me. I appreciate it. Very last minute. I actually have one of the pieces on right now. Should I do like the walk-in or should I just like get up and show
you? Gotta give me the whole look.
Got it. Okay. So the first piece, we got the I don't know what is this, yellow? Orange?
It's orange.
Orange. Okay, so
I like it.
What do you give it?
10.
A 10?
I like this shit. This shit pop.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay.
I like it though. It's like some Valentine's shit.
Right? It's sexy. This is sexy.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, so we got a 10. Woo! First try.
That's
Okay. BRB.
Oh, okay. You got the little mint. What is that? Mint green?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nah, that's fine. It's like some cracker. It look like the crocodile.
That's a vibe. It's
That's
cute.
I give it a it's like an 8.
An 8?
Yeah.
Really?
Okay.
I think you're being nice.
An 8 is still good though.
Yeah, you are being nice.
I give it like an 8.
An 8? Okay.
Yeah.
Close up. It's cute.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah. That's dope.
Cute. Alright, you ready for the next one?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Oh, okay. That's dope. I like it. I like all this.
Yeah?
Yeah. I like the flowers though. It's like some spring shit.
Right?
Yeah, like you just like a
Like
flower
daisies.
that just rose flower.
Yeah.
I give it a 9.
A 9?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, I like it though.
Okay.
That shit hard.
It's the little details for me.
Nah, yeah, the details is perfect.
So y'all can open it up more if you want. You don't have to have it this tight, but I just have that tight. This is cute too as a shirt. I would look for this as a shirt.
Yeah.
With some jeans. Or a little white skirt.
I'd be scared.
Why?
I'd be scared if you was my girl when you went outside with that, huh?
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, you should be scared regardless. Whatever I'm wearing. Respectfully.
Right.
Okay. Why don't you give it like an 8.5? Or an 8? Or a 9?
I give it a 9.
A 9?
Yeah, I give it a 9.
It's the color, huh? I feel like it's the color mostly.
Yeah, it's the color.
Yeah.
It's definitely the color.
Sorry, it's this one.
Wow. I like that.
Yeah?
That's hard. I think black your color now.
Okay, so what was my color before?
It was orange at first. I'm definitely feeling it.
Yeah?
Yeah, that shit sexy.
This is like so appropriate for Valentine's Day.
Right.
Like I would wear this for a man. Okay, so what do you give it?
That's a 10.
A 10?
Yeah, that's a 10. Whoa. That's perfect.
Right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this on the side because I like it that way. Right. There has to be not, you know, they all can be fucking amazing.
No, I like that too though.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
You don't like it?
Yeah, it's cute for like a comfortable day. I like how big it is here. I don't know, it just feels really secure.
Nah, that's fine. I give it like a 7 though. That's my least favorite one.
Yeah, I think it's the dots. The dots.
But it still looks good though.
Yeah.
I mean, you pull it off though. You pull it off.
Thank you. But the other ones?
Fire.
Fire. Fire.
Like,
they did that.
Yeah, it's like 2 fire. I love it.
Okay. I'm gonna go put my white robe.
I think her outfits look amazing.
I was like, hey, do you wanna film a video?
Yes.
It's a Savage X
Yes.
Fenty. Try
Yes.
it out.
Yes, no, it's in fire. It's like they made that like custom for you.
Stop.
Yeah.
Wait, out of all of them, which one's your favorite piece?
The black, it
black
was an
one?
orange at first, but then the black shit is like that.
Okay. Mine, the yellow one for sure, because it's more girly. You know, the black one is just sexy. Like, that's definitely for your man.
Yeah, that's the hardest one.
Right?
Yeah, that shit like.
That shit's different. You can't find shit like that around. Like,
And
only
then your butt
700.
was like,
Bumblebee, just poking.
yeah, like just wanna bite it.
Very biteable.
Right, exactly, like very biteable. Like the butt was biteable.
And that's what we want.
Yeah.
That's what we want.
To bite the butt.
Yeah. All right, guys, that is all for today's video.
I wish it was more.
Thank you so much. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as we did. I know he enjoyed the fuck out this video.
I enjoyed it. I wish it was more. They ain't saying no more.
They
You can go
did.
check them out.
They did. If you want, honestly, actually, you can keep on doing these rating things for YouTube with me if you want. Yeah, you agree? Okay, so this is gonna become like a. This is gonna become a thing. So.
I'm down.
Yeah.
I'm all the way down.
Okay.
Yeah, never. Don't let nobody else do it. I'm down. I'm all the way down.
But now y'all will see every time we try on things and his reactions, and we'll see what he loves.
Yeah, I need to. All right, we out.
Bye.